There's a kind of silence that doesn't feel empty. It feels like something is listening back. In stillness, we often feel uncomfortable, as if we're meant to be doing something, moving, responding, proving we exist. But your brain knows better. Moments of silence don't turn the brain off. They turn it inward. Stillness activates what scientists call the default mode network, a system linked to creativity, memory, self-awareness, and meaning-making. It's where ideas form, where scattered experiences begin to thread together. It's the place where your story starts to make sense again. This is why insights come in the middle of the night. Why truth surfaces after a long walk. Why clarity often arrives after the conversation has ended. Silence is not passive, it's processing. Stillness is not the absence of life, it's where life reorganises itself beneath the surface. And the deeper the stillness, the more your body begins to speak. You might feel your breath drop, your jaw relax, a warmth in your chest as if something is remembering how to exhale. Even your heartbeat responds to silence. Studies show that just 2 minutes of quiet can lower blood pressure, regulate breath, and ease the stress responses your nervous system forgot how to turn off. Stillness, it turns out, is not withdrawal. It's intelligence, soft and circular, active in its own quiet way. So if you find yourself craving silence or resisting it, know this: it's not a void, it's a tuning. And maybe, like a forest that heals itself when left alone, you too are restored by what you don't feel.